We're too far.
Screaming louder isn't gonna help.
Just remove the hook from the fish's
Put
mouth.
the pole down. Grab the fish.
The fish is not even touching it.
Just staring
She
at
won't
it.
touch it.
She's gonna start to cry.
Take it off!
Leave the fish completely in the water. It can't breathe if its head's above water.
It's gonna die.
Yeah, she's gonna
She's walking it right now.
I'm just gonna watch it die. Oh my god. I hope you're recording this.
Yeah.
Funniest home videos.
That
That's definitely the funniest home videos material. You won't touch a fish yet. You'll try to catch another one? Jesus Christ.
Is it alive?
Is it still moving? Is it in the water? How far? Are you sure? Let me see it. No, put it back in the water. What are you doing? Oh my god.
He's trying to get to a rescue.
That must be one fucking retarded kid.